Hey guys, what's up? I'm in Phil's garage, his dream garage. And today we're going to be trying to polish these headlights. They're actually in really bad shape. So we're just gonna try to bring them back, try to refinish them. I believe we have 180, 320, 600, and then we're gonna use some polish. I know that you're supposed to use actually much higher, 1,000 grit, 1,500 grit, that type of stuff. So make it work with what we got, because I mean this is pretty bad for now. And if it works out, we'll post it. If it doesn't, then we'll see what happens, right? Well, all right, we're just gonna wait for Phil. He has some polish that he wants to try out, and we'll just go from there. So you can see these headlights have been really weathered. It looks like the previous owner, they might have put a little bit of clear coat on them. So, or what we're going to do is we're gonna take down the clear or the oxidization down with some 120 or 320, and then slowly increase the grit, the fineness of the sandpaper, till we get it to a nice smooth state, and then we'll take the polisher and then we'll polish the headlights.
Yep.
Not that this paint is really worth protecting, but
Yeah.
let's not make it any worse.
You should dry it first, though. What? Here's one.
We've got rid of a lot of the oxidization that's on the headlight. Where are you at, Phil?
I am in the middle of using 220 on the headlight. It's nice and milky, or at least the parts that I've worked on.
Yeah, that's
so now
just
I'm ready
like
to work further out to where I haven't touched yet, but it's coming along. I'm hoping that it'll be nice and clear when we're finished, obviously.
Yeah, that's just the milkiness is really just like little bits of like plastic and oxidization that's kind of caked onto the headlight over time. Also, like before I previously said, I think that they might have repaired it once and just cleared over it.
Yeah,
and
possibly.
That's why you could see like the center still had a little bit of clear on and it was flaking off. It could just be the manufacturing as well. So we're just gonna keep sanding these headlights and so it's completely dried now. You can see that it's hazy. At this stage, this is only 600. It should be like 1,500 to 2,000 grit. But we're gonna see what Phil's polisher can do with just 600 and see if he can bring back some life into the headlights. But that's currently the stage that we're at.
I think quite possibly, because you've got two kinds of chemicals you can use. One compound has abrasives in it, so like, for lack of a better word, sand. So very small particles that will clean up like sandpaper. And then some compounds are chemical. So yeah, that just fills in all the cracks and what have you. And then, you know, a little while later, once you've washed the car a couple times, those come out and you're right back where you started. But again, this is just kind of to get us through winter.
Yeah.
So again, that's what this side looks like, the driver's side. And that's what the passenger side looks like. All right, let me go get my materials and see where we go. See how we go. It's a little old, so as well as this stuff is drying out, so, or has dried out. So I'm just trying to use what we have and be smart about the way you're using it.
And it looks awesome. Like on camera, I hope it shows up, but it looks great.
I might get flamed for
awesome.
using sandpaper and water.
Yeah, it's
But
fine.
again-
That's what I said, man. Like, this is kind of like the ghetto way of, I guess.
Yeah. Well, and I mean, we're like I said, right? We're just kind of trying to get through winter with it, right? Because you've got to be able to see.
We're making a lot of excuses, but this is what we got for now. Definitely in the summer, we'll do it properly.
Not bad for doing it the hood way. If I can say that.
It's not bad, man. It looks great.
Now it's going to look good. This is the part that I like. And I'm sure most of you will as well.
You mean it's not it? That's not it? There's more?
Yes, there's more.
Wait, there's more! Do you remember that's from?
No.
Scary movie, man.
Oh man, it's been a minute since I've seen that.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more.
Aren't they doing another one or something?
I'm not sure if they're doing another one.
Or another Scream or something? I don't know, something.
So what are you putting on now? What is this?
So this is kind of a, so that was a compound, this is more like a cleaner wax. So it does two jobs in one. So it should come up very clean now, as well as shiny because of the wax, right? So it should fill in any of the pit holes and what have you, scratches and what have you from the sanding process. So
All right.
let's see where we get to with this.
Yep. Woo! Let's go.
I don't know what else to say other than
Yeah, no, it looks sick.
and this isn't even wiped off, and then put a little bit of carnauba wax on there for an added sheen to it. It just makes it look prettier, as well as it helps to protect what we've done a little bit longer. So instead of getting, you know, maybe a few months out of it, you'll get maybe, instead of getting maybe about 6 months out of sanding it and compounding it and waxing it, with the cleaner, when you use the carnauba, it'll add maybe an extra 5 or 6 months. So we might get about a year and a half out of this.
Like maintaining the clarity as it is right now?
Yeah.
Not bad.
So what you can do is every time you wash it, do a thing of wax, which will keep it protected to some degree, and it won't yellow as quickly as.
Right.
So it's a temp fix, but it's a fix.
Yeah. No, this looks a million times better, so yeah. It was totally worth, like I said, we've been doing this for maybe now like 45 minutes or
Yeah,
so.
something like that.
So like 45 minutes to an hour, and these are the results. I'll take it.
It's definitely not perfect. I can see the scratch lines. We could go
Oh yeah, I see it a little bit too.
finer sandpaper, finer grit,
Yeah.
So the 1500 would have removed that, and then think about how much brighter it would have been
Yeah.
had we had the 1500 or the 2000 or the 3000 sandpaper. Yeah.
You ready?
Yep. As they say nowadays, mwah, chef's kiss.
No. All right, well, so we finished, and here are the results. So Phil was able to polish them up. He used a little bit of wax to kind of seal it for now, but I'm really, really happy with the results for what we did. But yeah, here they are.
On another day, we should do the fogs. Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching our video. We enjoy making them, and we'll see you on the next one, all right?
Initial speed out.
See you guys.